Hi guys, it's Candace. Welcome back. Okay, I just wanted to do a quick little bonus video before I listed these journals in my Etsy shop, just so you can see the final flip through of everything that is done in there. This is the Autumn Leaves, which is a Janeybjournals kit. What's on the inside? These, these other parts are from the original playlist that you'll have to look. But I showed you that I put the little beads on the bottom, but I added this little sweet pocket on the inside, just so that way you'd have something to tuck some little things in, and then put this little mushroom stamp from Calico Collage and some green painter paper back there. And I just left this. I know, y'all know I had problems doing anything to this one because I loved it. Could have did an overlay, but I just loved the thing. And then this is the little journal card in there that we did. Coffee dyed in the belly band. A little flip of the coffee dye, well, Frankenstein dye paper. And then all the main papers in here are Janeybjournals from her Autumn Leaves kit. And then this is one. Now I did include a couple little mini labels in here from the Junk Journal Studio from her Autumn Wonder kit. Or no, this is All Things Fall. Yes, All Things Fall. Just so if you wanted to put some little labels on some of the little ephemeras and stuff in here, you'd have them. But if you don't have her kit, go get it. Oh, it's wonderful. Some parchment paper. Oh, here's the little tag that I did with one of the dictionary words, and then I took a little washi tape with some mushrooms and put it on cardstock. And then this is from Your Creative Studio, that was in one of my last month's kit. That's so cute. And then one of the pages, and then I went and put some rust yarn in here, and then it's on the back with some digital paper. And it's a flip pocket, and then has the little journal card that we did with some little just collage stuff. Okay, and then this is our large journal card that we did, and this is from All Things Fall from the Junk Journal store. Like I said, most of the ephemera in here is from Junk Journal store, and then like these are Hobby Lobby's sequins and stuff. And then our little flip up page index card that we did with some of my crazy coffee dye with some lime fingernail polish. And then a postage stamp for the little flip tag, and then a washi stick or some doily and stuff for our little flip out. Oh, I like that. That's a nice place to go visit. Oh, and this is cute. And then one of my coffee dyed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layer coffee flower punches that I coffee dye each one individually so it can soak it up, and then fishing them out with your tweezers. Oh, that's a whole nother joy in itself, but I do it. And it has a brass brad in the center. And then this is just a little teardrop paper clip that you can attach something with, move it around any place you want. I did not put anything in here because I thought that could be something that you put in of your own. And then our little coffee dyed paper, and then I put some charms on the inside of each signature. So these are just some different color leaf charms, and then just little mini tags in the little mini pockets that we use with a definition word, and one of the coupons from the All Things Fall. And then, yep, I guess this is the kitchen to the house that you stayed at the Airbnb. Look at that wood ceiling. I want to do that to my kitchen, make it look like an old farmhouse. And then just stand back with the spray paint gun and just spray paint the whole kitchen. No, I need some color. But anyway, it's a nice place to visit. Oh, and our little flip out, and our flip up with a little squirrely. And then another little paper clip that I made with some ribbon. And then an overlay pocket that I did with one of the kit pages that I just put right on top of the other one, so that way it's still the same design in the kit, but it's got a pocket in it. You know, I went crazy with that on a couple of them. And then this is from, you know, a piece of the ephemera that I turned into a little tuck spot. And so these little tags go in there. And then little fabric snippets with a sewn button on. And then some coffee dye note paper. Smells good. And then I used some of the tickets for a pocket, and then put some Nouveau drops on there. And then this is the next signature, and I used one of the large labels that I turned into a tag, a pocket, I mean, and then put this little mini tag in there. And did a little collaging on there. And then this is our big little envelope that came from the kit that we made. It's got a couple little things inside. And then a little tuck spot. And then our little decorated envelope. So that goes in that. And then we have this big tag. And then we made this little side pocket out of some other digital paper. And then you, of course, had to put sequins on there. Had to put some bling bling. And then our little flip up. Another flip up that we have that we collaged. Another large tag that we turned into a pocket. And they're all backed with book page, so they got a little strength to them. Some more snippet. Actually, it's not a fabric flick. That's a snippet. I know y'all back there going, girl, you don't even know the name of your stuff. No, I don't. I just know it's pretty. And I like it. Just give me more, 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 more. Let me blow that dirt out of there. And then here's two other tags. And they're on craft stock and cardstock cream. And then just made another little pocket out of another piece of the ephemera from the kit. Some more dyed over dyed parchment paper. Sounds so good. Still a lot of blank spots that you can add stuff to. Lots of writing spaces. And then this is a large tag from the kit. And I signed it. And put the date, September. And then a piece of my sketching paper that I put the vellum in. Hole punch it with the little mini puncher. And then string some, you know, colored yarn through there just to give it a little bit of personality. And then we did the double pocket tucks, the double side tuck pockets with a little mini tag and a little pumpkin and some green eyelash. Maybe I need some green eyelashes. Not. Wouldn't mind wearing them for Halloween now. Oh, but every day I just don't have the skin tone. And then we made this large journal card from one of the My Creative Studio notepad papers, and then just put a little bit of decorations on there. And then we did an overlay pocket here, and then this is a tag from the journal. And then, like I said, here's two other color leaves for little charm, little dangles on the inside of the signature. And then more labels from the Junk Journal Studio, All Things Fall. That's what all these are. And then the other double side tuck that we made with a little mini card. That's from Janie's kit. And then this is from Janie's kit. And I just backed it on some colored note paper. And then instead of rounding all the edges, I just rounded two just to be different. You know, had to be different. A little squirrely. And those little stickers came in the Your Creative Studio September kit. Or was it October? Shoot. I don't know. Whatever just came. I got to look on the box. I think it was October. And then this is our little flip out tag that we did. And then another little simple little paper clip just to clip it, clip it down. You can move them wherever you want, wherever you need them. And then this is a large skinny tag made with the little small ATC cards Janie had in there. I just put a little piece of the All Things Fall on there for a little label across, some Nuvo drops, green eyelash again. It's so soft and pretty. And then just a little piece of scrap on the back just so it had a little oomph to it. And then stenciled this tree that I had. And then this is one of the little fussy cuts from the kid. I just put him on the side. I just thought he was like flying away. He's running from this one. This is Fergie chasing Molly. Molly's like, oh, I gotta get out of here. Fergie's like, hey, where you going, girl? So she's like, come back here. And Molly's like, no, 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 no. Okay. Anyway, and then these are just two of the tickets that I backed on some cream cardstock and just put them in here just for little extra ephemeris. And a little bit of washi tape. Excuse me. And then I just layered this on black matte, some black cardstock, then some of gingham that we have, and then a large All Things Fall label from the Junk Journal Studio, and then this little squirrely. And he's on some graph paper, my bright yellow on the other side, but I love the dark gray and white folder that's in there, so I'm cutting it up and using it. And then this is the other part of the RX bag that we had in there for that pocket, but I made a top fold pocket out of it. And here's a little journal card, and just stenciled a leaf, and then got some of the leaves that were fallen. And then back here, this was our table place card that I altered and put little washi tape on there and on the back to cover up, the words. And then just put a little decoration, and then that's a little belly band from one of the punch outs that I have. And then just put some more washi tape on there just so it matches, because it matched the little car door on the truck, so I had to use it. And then this is the little journal card. Well, I guess it's a tag because it has a topper thing, and that's from the kit. And then this is just a little punch that I have with some birds on a wire, and then some more washi tape and parchment paper, and then just some of the sparkly ribbon just because it needed some whoo on there. And then this is a journal card that Janie had in the kit that I cut down a little bit and then backed it with some stripe paper, which this is from one of her kits also, one of her mystery bundles. And then made a little mini tag from My Autumn Words. And then this is a coffee dyed weekly list thing that I just thought was cute and put it in the back there. And did I? Yes. And then you see where it's perforated. I always go and put a little piece of parchment or deli paper back there, so that way it doesn't accidentally, get folded and unfolded and tear. And then this little large ticket back here, and I put the little hoot owl in there. And then I found this one from the Calico Collage. That's from Junk Journal Studio, All Things Fall, All Things Fall. And then this is from Calico Collage, one of her Autumn Woodland stamps. And I just put that on the back just because, I thought they were like, hey, hoo-hoo. And here's the little girl bark. Anyway, I know it's late. Sorry. It's time. I need to go to bed, but I need to film these. Okay, guys, then I got to upload and get them done. So that is the Autumn Leaves. And then, it has the book pages on here. It's all the same thing, but I just wanted to show a couple of little things I had done to it and the little paper clips in there. So that way, that is the final official done flip through, so I can add it to the playlist. So that way, we all have a reference, and you don't have to go look for it, because I'm really bad about adding them into another video when I have it done. So I just thought I would do one final one so I can put it in the playlist, and that way y'all will see this. This will air on Friday, I think the 15th. See, no calendar again. I got to get one down here. Oh, and because my calendar's on my phone, but I use my phone to film, so this will air on Friday the 15th, and I'm going to list these in my Etsy tomorrow on Friday the 15th also. So this, the Halloween, my little ballerina, my cutie pie, and then some faded rose ephemera will be in there. So there you go. Thanks for watching if you watched again. And thanks for sharing some of your time with me, some of your day with me. And I hope you enjoyed the final flip through. And I will see y'all shortly with my little Halloween flip through. It's so cute. And I know they're all cute, but this one, oh my gosh, it just really is too stinking cute. And I will see y'all later. Have a great day, blessed day. And lots of kisses, lots of love always. And I will see y'all later. Bye, guys.